Hi, everyone. No need to fear. SPLA Man is here with Octopus Cloud. Today's licensing minute, we're going to showcase how Octopus Cloud helps service providers manage QMTH environments. So we all know Octopus Cloud, right? The business intelligence platform that tracks and automates the cumbersome task called SPLA usage reporting. But we continually add additional features such as this QMTH to make life, a little bit easier. To find out more, email us at info@octopus.cloud. That's info@octopus.cloud. So what the heck is this QMTH I mentioned? Well, QMTH stands for Qualified Multi-Tenant Hoster. And it's for service providers who have a SPLA agreement. So that's number one, is CSP direct authorized, as well as they sign the QMTH addendum from Microsoft. So again, you have to be CSP direct authorized in order to qualify for this QMTH program. You can't go through a CSP indirect provider such as a distributor where you buy the licenses and then resell it to your end customers. You have to be CSP direct authorized, and that's no easy task. But essentially what QMTH allows is a SPLA hoster to install end customer owned Office 365 licenses in a shared cloud environment. So think of it very similar to license mobility, where license mobility, your end customer buys the software with software assurance, they transfer that over to you and you host it in a shared cloud environment. This works in a similar way. It's just with Office 365 licenses. And again, instead of being license mobility eligible, you have to be QMTH eligible. So a lot of the bigger issues service providers face during an audit is actually managing end customer licenses. So I mentioned license mobility, end customer licenses. Sometimes customers want to deploy software that are not license mobility eligible. So therefore you have to dedicate or isolate the hardware for that end customer. And some customers, for whatever reason, do not want to host in Microsoft. They want to host out of your data center for Office 365 and other applications. So what we're going to do today is showcase what Octopus put together for service providers to easily track the QMTH end customer licenses. So what you see here on our screen is actually a SPLA usage report. So all I did was go to licensing. So this is our platform, by the way. We went to licensing. We select the usage month. I selected March, and I generated the report. What comes up is the actual report that you would submit to the SPLA reseller. It shows the quantities. It shows the product. It shows the total price. So that's for the Microsoft SPLA portion of this platform. There's also this Microsoft QMTH. And what this QMTH tab does is shows all the customer licenses that were deployed in a given month. So as you can see here, there's Office 365 Pro Plus, there's Project Online, and Visio. So this will showcase what was actually deployed. And when you hit generate report, what's going to happen is it's going to generate the SPLA usage report or QMTH report that you submit or email to Microsoft. And as you can see here, it shows the tenant name, shows the quantity, the month, and the company names, your name for the QMTH. So again, each month you're required to submit a usage, not just for SPLA to the reseller, but also these Office 365 licenses to Microsoft directly. So this is a quick and easy way Octopus Cloud put together a QMTH portion of their portal to make life a little bit easier so you're not duplicating time as well as resources in tracking end customer licenses. One quick note, this doesn't negate the responsibility of reporting that monthly fee that's required for the QMTH. So every month, Microsoft enforces service providers to submit a SKU. It's called the QMTH SKU to Microsoft as well, and you do that through your reseller. This portion does not submit that QMTH SKU. All it does is submit the total licenses deployed. So that's it for today's webcast, or for this week, for our weekly roundup on licensing through Octopus Cloud. Again, if you have more questions, please email us at info@octopus.cloud. That's info@octopus.cloud. So until next time, guys, we'll talk soon. Stay safe. SPLA Man signing out.